Hi guys! Magandang gabi! Welcome back dito sa Gandara SRU channel. Kamusta kayo? Ayan, napakaganda ng ating gabi. Good vibes and good mood ako ngayong gabing ito. Paano ba naman? Napakaganda ng bumungad sa akin na balita tungkol sa movie ng Kim Pao. Anyway, andito na naman po akong muli nagbabalik. Ang nagmamaganda ninyo kachismosang Kim Pao, wala na pong iba, si Gandara, upang magatid sa inyo ng latest update and fresh happenings patungkol kay Kim Chiu and Paula Avellino. And para nga sa gabing ito, huy, grabihan. Napakaganda ng ating chika tungkol po sa movie ng Kim Pao. Ayan, at naglabas na nga po ng kinita ang ABS-CBN, kinita po ng movie ng Kim Pao. At nakakataba ng puso, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta. At ito na nga, unti-unti na pong lumulobo. Ayan, ang kita ng Kim Pao. So, local pa lamang po yung nire-report nila sa ngayon. Pero, alam ko na malaki pa ang kikitain ng movie ng Kim Pao. O, diba? Pero bago tayo mag-start, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe dito sa ating channel, maaari lamang na pindutin po ninyo ang subscribe button at notification bell na natin na nandyan sa baba para maging updated po kayo at ma-notify tuwing may bago tayong chika at balita hinggil sa Kim Pao. Basta mga balita na may kinalaman kay Kim Chiu and Paula Avellino, sagot na po natin yan. And eto na nga, ang pinaghirapan nila Kim and Paolo, and of course, ang bumubuo at bumuo ng My Love Will Make You Disappear, mapalikod man ng camera, lahat ay unti-unti na pong nagkakaroon ng bunga. Sobrang daming bunga na pakikinabangan ng lahat. So, My Love Will Make You Disappear is now the highest grossing Filipino film of 2025. So, ayan, as of March 29, 2025, nakalikom na po ang Kim Pao ng 40 million. Ayan, congratulations to all cast. Lahat na nagpagod para mabuo po ang My Love Will Make You Disappear. So, eto na nga guys, inireport na ng ABS-CBN ang tungkol dito. Nakakataba ng puso, ang sarap po sa mata na alam mong nagbubunga na yung pinaghirapan nila. And because of Kim Pao fans yan, kahit po medyo nakakaano yung playdate, nakaka-stress, pero to the rescue pa rin naman po ang mga Kim Pao fans at hindi hahayaan na sirain ng mga bashers ang pelikula. Napakaganda kaya. Super nakaka-inlove. Perfect sana to nung February, nung Valentine's Day. Pero andito na to. Ayan, sumuporta na lang tayo. From ABS-CBN News, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagpapakilig ng Kim Pao sa kanilang latest movie. Kumita na ng 40 million. And narito natutuwa ako sa mga comment. Grabe lalo na to, napakwento pa. Sabi niya dito, I just saw the meet and greet event of My Love Will Make You Disappear at Cinemark Carson earlier today. And the kind of fan base that Kim and Paolo have is really mind-blowing. While I was waiting in the movie house lobby, I ran into an elderly woman and young man, Lola at Apo, whom I got the chance to chat with while waiting to get in line for the event. I was beyond surprised that both of them had flown all the way from the East Coast, New Jersey, just to watch the movie, and I was surprised all the more when the grandson told me that they bought tickets for all three, 28th, 29th, and 30th events. The two probably have spent close to $2,000 airfare, hotel accommodation, food, and of course movie tickets just to see Kim and Paolo in person. I heard similar stories from those seated on the same row where I was. There was a woman who had not watched a Filipino movie since she moved to America about 20 years ago until My Love Will Make You Disappear. Here in the States, Hollywood stars who are widely admired and loved, are given the unofficial title America's Sweetheart, like Meg Ryan and Julia Roberts and Jennifer Aniston. I am super confident that if Kim were a Hollywood star, she would also be given the same. Her fan base is unusual, uncommon, unexplainable, unimaginable, and unparalleled. With Paulo in the mix, the fandom is unbeatable. Hoy, grabe naman yon. Ang nakakataba ng puso makarinig ng ganito, no? Talagang hangang-hanga sa fandom. Sabi pa dito, congratulations Star Cinema, Dreamscape, Director Chad, and everyone else involved in the movie project. With all honesty and objectivity, the super B acting by the two lead stars is the compelling reason to watch the movie even without a high quality production value and strong storyline. Thank God, Kim has a magnetic star power which has been enhanced since being paired with Paulo. The unmatched and undeniable chemistry of Kim and Paulo to make people feel kilig when watching them together is the selling point. Hoping and praying that Kim Pao will do a well thought out, good quality flick soon as their next project. They both deserve it. O, diba? Ang bongga. Kahit napakahaba. Ang sarap pong pagpakinggan ng kanyang komento. Sabi pa dito, congrats 40 million in 4 days is not bad. Yehey, may showing pa international. Tapos lahat ng nanonood, gusto pa umulit. Ang ganda naman kasi talaga. Sabi pa dito, yes po, local pa lang yan ha. Hindi pa kasama yung abroad. Pero according to ABS-CBN News, My Love Will Make You Disappear has earned an impressive $200,000 at the North American, Canada, and US box office on its first day of commercial release. Yes po, local pa lang. 40 million and mayroon pa pong ibobongga at ibubuga pa ang kita ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. So, antay na lang po tayo sa pagtali ng kita as a whole ng Kim Pao. So guys, narito yung mismong report ng ABS-CBN News, no? Kim Pao's My Love Will Make You Disappear earns 40 million in local box office sales. Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's My Love Will Make You Disappear has earned 40 million in local box office sales as of Saturday, March 29, according to ABS-CBN Films. The romantic comedy movie made 12 million in ticket sales on its first day, lagging the highest opening day gross among all local films so far this year. Meanwhile, My Love Will Make You Disappear has earned an impressive $200,000 in the North American box office on its first day of commercial release. O, bongga, diba? So, natalakay din nga dito yung kinita ng movie sa North America. Ayan, at ito rin ang highest ata, hindi ako nagkakamali, na naging gross income. Sabi pa dito, the film is Chiu and Avellino's first movie together after working in the series Linlang and the Philippine remake of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hoy, alam nyo, nakakamiss. Pag naririnig ko yung Linlang, namimiss ko yung teleserye ng Kim Pao. Sana po pagbigyan tayo another project ng Kim Pao, papatok naman po ang pelikula ng Kim Pao, 40 million and ilang araw pa lang naman. So, ayun, hoping po talaga sa next project pa ng Kim Pao. Sino naniniwala dito na malaki ang kikitain, close to billion, ang movie ng Kim Pao? Pa-comment ka po dyan. Ayan, thank you so much. Hoy, sabi pa dito, directed by Chad Redanes, the film is about a woman named Sari who believes that every man she loves would disappear. Sari later meets the heartbroken Jolo. Hearing about Sari's course, Jolo sees it as an opportunity to escape from his painful past. The movie also stars Melaya Cantiveros, Wilma Dassent, Lovely Abelia, Bench Manalo, Nico Antonio, Migs Almendras, Martin Escudero, Karina Bautista, Jeremiah Lisbo at Tasha Franco, Kazli Lasam, and Lucas Andalio. So, medyo konti lang yung cast. Kim Pau's My Love Will Make You Disappear is also playing exclusively in theaters in the United States and Canada. So, kayo guys, anong masasabi nyo about sa naging sale or kita ng movie ng Kim Pao na 40 million? Pa-comment ka lang dyan sa baba at pag-usapan natin next time. So, hanggang dito lang muna. Thank you so much po sa pakikinig. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates. Maraming salamat.